What is magnesium, and why is it important?
Magnesium is an essential mineral that supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Magnesium also plays a role in bone health and energy production. Most people can get enough magnesium from a balanced diet, but some may need extra support.
Who may need magnesium supplements?
Supplementing with magnesium can be beneficial for people with a diagnosed deficiency, certain digestive conditions, or diets low in magnesium-rich foods. Groups at higher risk include older adults, people with gastrointestinal diseases, individuals with type 2 diabetes, and those who consume high amounts of alcohol. Always check with a healthcare provider before starting supplements.
Recognizing magnesium deficiency symptoms.
Common signs of magnesium deficiency include muscle cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, numbness, and mood changes. Mild deficiencies can often be managed with dietary changes, while more serious symptoms may require supplementation under professional guidance. Deficiency should be confirmed by a healthcare professional before taking supplements.
How to use magnesium supplements safely.
When using magnesium supplements, it's best to follow dosage recommendations provided by healthcare professionals. Typical daily dosages range from 200 to 400 milligrams. Avoid taking higher amounts, as excess magnesium can cause diarrhea, nausea, or abnormal heart rhythms. Split doses with meals to help absorption and reduce stomach discomfort.
Tips for boosting magnesium naturally.
You can increase your magnesium intake by eating foods such as leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole grains, beans, and dark chocolate. Staying hydrated and limiting processed foods also helps maintain healthy levels. Diet is the safest way to get magnesium, with supplements reserved for specific needs.